go first?
What?
Welcome.
Very nice.
That's right. Let's hear it for our contestants as they come out on stage. Thank you so much. We have Larry's steampunk take on Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, and I believe you are mid-transformation. Is it safe?
As long as the dynamo's in my right hand, because the dynamo is what powers the Dr. and Mr. Hyde half of my personality.
Excellent. So if he puts that down, run. Please do not put that down. Please stand up to the front of the stage so that everybody can admire you and appreciate you and cheer how amazing you are. Oh, I love that email address. That's fantastic. The Spice Bandolero, ladies and gentlemen. The Spice Bandolero has pepper, salt, red peppers, and sprinkles. Right, because you never know when you'll have ice cream. That's right. So, Clarence Cookie Copper Pot. We've got a character by us. Did I see ankle? I didn't see ankle. There are children here. We can't show ankle. Whoa, knives. Be careful, folks. Be careful. Pinkatron, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, I know you were out there earlier. Pinkatron, ladies and gentlemen. So this was built by Alan Pinkerton, collaborating with the Department of Automata. Yeah! Somebody works at the department right here in the audience. Excellent. Oh, wow. Oh, you need to see this up close. This is fantastic stuff. Yeah! Please walk to the center of the stage, but not off it. It wasn't my doing, I'm not that good. Ah, here we are. Thank you very much indeed. Wow.
Hey.
We have a magic man. Magic fun, good times, fashion punk. Oh yeah. Dizzy Ramsey, ladies and gentlemen. Madam Gala, Western Fantasy. Yes. Madam Gala, ladies and gentlemen. And you certainly picked the right day to wear black because the weather out there is quite nice. So, by the way, you're avoiding rain, so congratulations for being here. If you're here only because you're avoiding rain, it's okay. Thank you for coming anyway. Please stand at the front of the stage so the audience can see how wonderful you are. Madam Gale, ladies and gentlemen. We have an interstellar wizard on our stage, ladies and gentlemen. This is, hopefully I do not butcher your name here. You are Loop Taco. Is that right?
Loop Taco?
Loop Taco. Loop Taco from the Adventure Zone podcast. Please check it out wherever you may find it. I am sure it is online all over the place. Please stand at the front of the stage and strut your stuff to the audience. They need to see you. Interstellar Wizardry. We have Legolas Greenleaf. The Elf of the Woodland Realm, son of his father, I think. Son of Thranduil, friends with Gimli, a dwarf.
I am the son of Thranduil.
And I'm friends with Gimli.
Yeah, friends with Gimli. That works for me. We have a gnome beast hunter, ladies and gentlemen, specializing in pesky unicorns. Unicorns are pesky. Oh! Please stand at the front of the stage so everybody can see that, because that is wonderful. But don't shoot anybody, please.
Wait, can we pay?
I'm not sure our liability covers it. Matt Baskerson, T-Duelist, and the man with no name, which is entirely appropriate for a Western setting. We can steal it from you and we can give you another one later when we see what you do. Please stand at the front of the stage so that everybody can see Matt Baskerson and the man with no name. Just in case you came from a different planet, Steampunk Waldo and his apprentice. Find one, get another one half off. Yes, of course it does change. I'm English, so we don't have Waldo. We have Wally. We have Where's Wally? And in other countries there are all sorts of other names. So look, but you're here, so you're Waldo. And Waldo, please walk to the front of the stage so everybody can see you. So we have Sarah and Xander, is that right? Sarah. Okay, so, oh, I see. Sarah and Xander. And they have come to bleat the competition, ladies and gentlemen. You thought my bad jokes were bad, that's... I think we need to just book you for next year, you know. We'll have a whole set of this on stage. You get an hour, right? Welcome to the stage, the Steampunk Prince and the Mystical Trio, ladies and gentlemen. Please walk up to the front of the stage here so everybody can see you. That royal wave down pat, that's perfect. The Steampunk Prince and the Mystical Trio, ladies and gentlemen. There are honourable mentions and we will mention you honourably. In fact, technically there are three. The first two honourable mentions, thank you very much Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Honourable mention number 2, Fashion Punk, with the note, Slay. I think this gentleman is made out of liquid. Nothing flesh can move that well. So, thank you to the honourable mentions. We have 3 winners. I will go in the order that they are given, I believe. So, the best female, Beast Hunter. Brackets, Unicorn Murderer. Close brackets. So, somebody's going to bring an award up, or what are we doing? We have stuff for you. How are we doing for time? Quick. So, while Countess Chaos, who runs this show, give her please a quick round of applause. That's quick enough. Best female, Beast Hunter. Best male, Pinkatron, the Automaton Detective. Please come with your, please handle a guide himself. come now to the front of the stage, and our lovely Countess will bring an award around to you. Best Male Pinkatron. You're fine there. She'll bring it round. Go. And that leaves best group. So our final award is best group. I'm going to need a big drum roll. Can you guys give me a drum roll? Yeah, more drum roll. The best group at Wild Wild West Con 9 is the Steampunk Prince and